KUV creates organization by having your products, your tools, your equipment behind each of these doors in an outside environment. We take that one notch higher by using the Sortimo product to take those products and in turn place them in an area where you can find them quickly, efficiently, and you can monitor the inventory. The important part is to be able to know how much inventory you have in your truck at one time. Therefore, you have dollars, you have inventory levels. You may not need what you need on your truck. You may be able to decrease weight, decrease your inventory, but maintain the job efficiency and performance that it requires. So let me show you some of the examples of the tools and equipment we have here. For instance, this is a wide S box, this is a narrow S box. Some of the features here is you lift up, pull out, and you can take this with you. This is actually an M box, I'm sorry. This is an M box, meaning mobility. And I really should explain what Sortimo is. Sortimo is a German company that has been in existence for quite a while. They're one of Europe's largest providers of organization. And actually Sortimo stands for sort your parts, your tools, and mobility to take them where you want to. So, this is a box right here that's very capable. The nice thing about the Knapheide feature is we secure these boxes in the truck by using their glides and slides. For instance, you see the holes that are pre-punched in here. We can take this clip, hold this clip together, we can change the original configuration of this very easily. The holes all give you flexibility, the glides come out, and they make a very efficient, easy to use product. So we'll fasten this back in here. Stored, stopped, easy. Now this right here is what I really like about it. It comes out, you can use it as, get your parts in and out of here. One more lift up, take it out and take it with you. Completely dividable, so you can segregate it as many times as you need to. Again, you can do different configurations. That was the M box, as I said, S box. This is the wider S box. In a horizontal compartment such as this, it really makes efficient use to use a variety of these. One of the other additions that I like real well is a T box. It's for small parts and organization. The nice thing about it is a lockable top, various size containers in here. The nice thing about this is you can configure it any way you want to. For instance, if we don't need this compartment, if we want to put a tool in this area, we can then close the top, lock it in place, and the void will remain a void. Small parts will not shift from one compartment to another. Mobility gives you the excellent way to transport it from the vehicle to the job site.
I noticed that they're all different colors, so they must be color-coded by size. Huh?
Yes, they are. In fact, what I'd like to do is show you between these two right here, we cover the waterfront of all the different sizes and configurations. Greens, reds, blues, yellows. And again, you can mix, match, arrange them to whatever the configuration you need. The nice part about it is the sort capability and the mobility capability. Now this compartment here is easy to use with the two S boxes, two of the smaller S boxes. Again, lift up, pull it out, use it as a shelf per se, put it back in, a drawer I should say, not a shelf, a drawer. Again, using the special shelves, you have a compartment at the bottom, you can put more small parts in if you want, or tools. Effective use of this compartment. We actually do have another model of box that goes in this area right here, because the body is notched to give you full seat back travel and yet increase the length of the body enough to be able to handle 10-foot conduit. So you have a little notch in here. There is a small box that will fit in those areas to completely utilize this compartment. Again, we move back to the vertical compartment. Same combination. You can mix or match. The beauty of this, you can mix or match these as you need or want. Here's a couple of other useful boxes that fit into the scheme of things. Let's put this back down and we'll put them up here. These are called L boxes, and unlike their cousin, the M box, which offers this capability, you have a closed lid. You can store all kinds of tools in there. They're divider capable also. The beauty of these L boxes come in different sizes is they latch together. Now you can feature putting small parts, tools, equipment, going from the vehicle into a job site, taking care of business all in one fell swoop. Or better yet, you can stack a number of these together, put them on a two-wheel dolly, and go into the job site with heavier tools and equipment. Stack these up as high as you need or high as you want. Take it in, completely do the job, come back out, you've created more billable hours.